Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video. So guys, this video is about how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, if you're facing this problem while paying your payments on your Apple ID, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that just sign out your Apple ID for one time and then sign in again your Apple ID and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, for that, open your Apple ID and from here scroll it below, and from here you can sign out your Apple ID. So guys, sign out your Apple ID for one time and then sign in again and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solutions, that is renew your card. So guys, check your card if it is expired. So guys, for that, open your profile in your settings and from here tap on payment and shipping. Wait for some seconds. So guys, give your Apple ID password here. So guys, wait again for some seconds. So guys, from here you will have to just make it sure that your card is renewed, and if it is expired, you will have to renew your credit or debit card to fix this issue. So guys, after this, go for the third solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to correctly add your payment method details. So guys, for that, open your profile again and from here tap on payment and shipping. Wait for some seconds again. So guys, from here just give your card details correctly, your card number, date of expiry and security code, and after this correctly add your billing address in here. So guys, correctly select your street, city and postcode and then country or region. So guys, select all these fields correctly to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to make it sure that your debit or credit card is not disabled from your bank. So guys, make it sure that your debit or credit card is not disabled for online transactions. If it is disabled, you will have to contact your bank to fix this problem first, and after this try to solve your problem. So guys, after this, there is final solution for that. You will have to just change your payment method and then try if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you want to change your payment methods, just open your Apple ID. From here tap on payment and shipping. Wait for some seconds. So guys, from here change your payment method and try to fix this problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.